Hey, what is up, guys? I'm back, and if you guys have not seen Jaden's tutorial on how to solve a 2x2, you should probably go see that because it's really helpful and really amazing because he's really good at teaching. And guys, we're going to get into teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So a 3x3 Rubik's Cube is a 2x2, but it's basically just harder. So you can see on the 2x2, it's 2 across and 2 down. 3x3, it's 3 across and 3 down. So that's the difference. It's one more. So yes, that's the difference on that. Okay, so now when I solve this 3x3, guys, you guys are probably not going to know what these are or like this. What I mean by that is R, U, D, D2, primes, and stuff like that. If you do not know what those are or the pieces and what they do, then you should probably go see my notation video, which is in the link will be in the description down below, so you can go over there and click on that. And also leave a comment on which type of 3x3 you have, and leave a like and subscribe, and we'll get right into the video. So the first thing I want to do is, this is the first step. I will make 3 different videos on the steps. The first video, well actually no, I'll make 4 different videos. The first step, this is part 1, this is the first step. The first step is the cross. So what I'm going to do is scramble it up and not give you an algorithm to do to scramble up. So no, I'm not going to give you a scramble that you do with me because I want you to use your mind and just try and figure it out on your own, but I'll help you with that. So the first thing we're going to do is give it a nice little scramble. Okay, so my 3x3 is all scrambled up now. So the first thing you're going to do is find your base piece that is white, and then you need to find an edge piece that has white and red on it. So look around for a white and red edge piece. Once you've found it, you can bring it down because we want it to go white, white, red, red, and we want it to go all the way around and make a cross, and that's the first step. So as you can see up here, we have our white and red edge piece, so I will move it down here so that it's matching these two because we want that to be right here. So what I'm going to do is now just turn it here, and see now we have white, white, red, red. Now we need it to be white, white, blue, blue, or white, white, another color. So I'm going to find another edge piece. This one's green, so I can do green. So I'll bring it down over to the green side because it always needs to go under where it needs to go. So it needs to go here, so go white, white, green, green. So here's our green piece. I'll just flip it up like this, and now we have white, white, green, green, white, white, and red, red. Now we need our other piece. We bring it under where it needs to go. And as shown here, if we just put it up, it's not going to work. It's not going to be right. So what we need to do is move it back down so it's on the side, then move it up, and then bring it back down, so F prime. And now, your last piece is right here. Okay, so we have our last piece right here. It's white and blue. I will move it up there. So now we have our cross, our white cross. But now, as you see, the base pieces are not in the right place. All you have to do to fix that is move these two together, these two. And now you have color, color, white, white, color, color, white, white, color, color, white, white, and color, color, white, white. And that is the first step. So, I will make another step on the next part after this. For the next step, all you need to do is go watch my other video on where I'll be teaching you about the corners and how to get those in.